Hamster Kombat mini game key puzzle for today. Make sure you watch the video 2-3 times before you practice. Move the red candle upward, the green candle to the right, the red candle upward. Move the green candle to the right, then the 3 red candle, move it downward. Then move the green candle to the left, then the red candle upward, the green candle to the left, the red candle downward, the green candle to the right, the red candle upward. Then you slide the key. Boom. Watch the video 2-3 times before you practice, and you are going to get it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and more importantly, join our Telegram channel where you'll be getting updates about how to make money online. See you next time for more updates.